Welcome to GitHub trending repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. We're counting down to number 1. It picked up 1,009 stars in the last 24 hours, so stick around. Number 10, Strix, 1,114 new stars today. Open source AI penetration testing tool to find and fix your app's vulnerabilities. Number 9, CS249R_book, 329 new stars today. Machine learning systems. Number 8, Page Agent, 805 new stars today. JavaScript in Page, GUI agent. Control web interfaces with natural language. Number 7, Herdias, 651 new stars today. Agent multiplexer that lives in your terminal. Number 6, ROM, 410 new stars today. A beautiful, powerful, self-hosted ROM manager and player. Number 5, Flutter Skills, 392 new stars today. T37 Cloud Code skills and agent skills and plugins for Cloud Code, Codex, Gemini CLI, Cursor, and 8 more coding agents. Number 4, Taste Skill, 863 new stars today. Taste Skill gives your AI good taste. Stops the AI from generating boring, generic slop. Number 3, system_prompts_leaks, 981 new stars today. Extracted system prompts from Anthropic, OpenAI, Google XAI, Cursor, Copilot, VS Code, Perplexity, and more. Number 2, Codex plugin CC, 1,532 new stars today. Use Codex from Cloud Code to review code or delegate tasks. Number 1, Meetly, 149 new stars today. Privacy First, AI meeting assistant with 4x faster Parakit/Whisper live transcription, speaker diarization, and Olama summarization built on Rust. Wapina, every % local processing. No cloud required.